Ever found yourself scrolling through endless lists of financial products, bombarded with jargon like checking account, brokerage account, cash management account, and wondered, wait, are these all the same thing? Or maybe you've stumbled upon M1 Finance, with its sleek interface and promises of integrated investing and spending, and a nagging question popped into your head, is M1 actually a checking account? That's exactly what we're diving deep into today. Because let's be honest, understanding where your money lies and how it works is absolutely crucial in navigating the world of personal finance. It's the foundation upon which you build your financial stability and growth. Misunderstanding the fundamental nature of an account can lead to confusion, missed opportunities, and even unexpected fees. So, forget the standard "Hey guys, welcome back to the channel." We're jumping straight into the heart of the matter. You've likely heard of traditional checking accounts, the workhorse of everyday finances. They're where your paycheck lands, where you pay your bills from, and where you swipe your debit card for your morning coffee. They're designed for easy access to your funds and facilitating transactions. Now, enter M1 Finance. On the surface, it might seem to offer some similar functionalities. You can receive direct deposits, you get a debit card, and you can spend money. This might lead you to think, aha, it ticks the boxes. It must be a checking account, right? Well, hold on just a minute. The world of fintech has blurred the lines, creating hybrid products that offer features of multiple traditional account types. To truly understand if M1 is a checking account, we need to peel back the layers and examine its core structure, its primary purpose, and the specific features it offers. Let's first establish what a traditional checking account fundamentally is. At its core, a checking account is a transactional account held at a bank or credit union. Its primary function is to provide a safe and easily accessible place to store funds for everyday spending and bill payments. Key characteristics of a traditional checking account typically include FDIC or NCUA insurance. Your deposits are insured up to a certain amount by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, for banks, or the National Credit Union Administration, NCUA, for one credit unions, providing a crucial layer of security. 1. Joanswer.org. Joanswer.org. Debit card access. You receive a debit card linked directly to your account, allowing you to make purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs. Check writing capabilities. Often, while less common now, many traditional checking accounts still offer the ability to write paper checks. Direct deposit. You can easily set up direct deposit from your employer or other income sources. Bill pay features. Most checking accounts offer online bill pay services, allowing you to schedule and send payments electronically. Limited or no interest. Traditional checking accounts typically offer very little or no interest on your balance. Their focus is on liquidity and transaction ease, not growth. Now, let's turn our attention to M1 Finance. M1 markets itself as a finance super app, integrating investing, borrowing, and spending into a single platform. This immediately signals that it's aiming to be more than just a simple checking account. The spending aspect of M1 is facilitated through what they call an M1 Spend account. This account does offer several features that resemble a traditional checking account. Debit card. M1 Spend provides a Visa debit card for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Direct deposit. You can indeed set up direct deposit to your M1 Spend account. Bill pay. M1 offers bill pay functionality, allowing you to pay bills online. These similarities are likely the reason why the question of whether M1 is a checking account arises in the first place. However, it's crucial to look beyond these surface-level features and delve into the underlying structure and the primary purpose of the M1 platform. M1's core functionality revolves around its automated investment platform. Users create portfolios made up of ETFs and individual stocks, and M1's system automatically invests and rebalances these portfolios based on the user's chosen allocations. The Spend account is tightly integrated with this investment platform. Here's where the key distinctions start to emerge. Not a bank. M1 Finance itself is not a bank. The M1 Spend account is actually provided through a partnership with a third-party FDIC-insured bank, currently BMO Bank Corporation or First National Bank of Omaha. This means your funds in the M1 Spend account are FDIC insured, which is a characteristic of a checking account. However, the account is held at a partner bank, not directly with M1 Finance. Integration with investing. The M1 Spend account is deeply intertwined with the investment side of the platform. Users can easily move funds between their investment portfolios and their spend account. This seamless integration is a core feature of M1's value proposition, something not typically found in a standalone checking account. Smart Transfers. M1 offers a feature called Smart Transfers which allows users to set rules for automatically moving money between their spend account and their investment portfolios based on predefined triggers, e.g., when your spend balance exceeds a certain amount, the excess is automatically invested. This highlights the platform's primary focus on facilitating investment. Limited interest. Potentially, while some traditional checking accounts offer negligible interest, M1 has offered interest on the M1 Spend account in the past. M1 Plus members may have access to higher APY. This isn't a defining characteristic of all checking accounts, but the potential for earning interest, even a small amount, can differentiate it from basic, no-interest checking options. No check writing. Unlike many traditional checking accounts, M1 Spend does not offer the ability to write paper checks. This reflects the modern, digitally focused nature of the platform. Account structure. When you sign up for M1, you're not just opening a checking account. You're establishing an overall M1 account that can encompass investment portfolios, a spend account, and even borrowing features, M1 Borrow. The spend account is a component within this broader financial ecosystem. So, to directly answer the question, is M1 a checking account? The most accurate answer is no, not in the traditional sense of a standalone checking account offered directly by a bank or credit union. However, the M1 Spend account functions like a checking account in many ways, offering features such as a debit card, direct deposit, and bill pay. Think of it this way. M1 Finance is a comprehensive financial platform, and the M1 Spend account is the spending arm of that platform. It's designed to work in conjunction with your investments, facilitating the flow of money in and out of your portfolio. Here's an analogy. Imagine a Swiss Army knife. It has a knife blade, a screwdriver, a bottle opener, and more. The knife blade, M1 Spend, serves a specific purpose, similar to a standalone knife, traditional checking account. However, the Swiss Army knife, M1 Finance, offers a broader range of tools and functionalities within a single, integrated package. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.